Hello everyone and welcome to the crypto session brief. We're on Thursday the 14th of April 2022. So far across the crypto board we've seen a bit of a quiet trading session so far today. A bit of a pause after yesterday's pretty solid buying session, and Bitcoin, Ethereum and the like all finishing up closing near the top of the bar. So usually when you see such large momentum within the day, you usually see a slight pause, at least in the morning, in the day, the first half of the session, which follows, and that's what we've seen so far. As you can see, the trading ranges across the board here really thin. Bitcoin probably trading within a, let's just check here, 41,000 to 41,500, 1,500 point range, which is absolutely tiny for BTC. Of course, the key play here to continue to watch is that 50-day moving average is a line in the sand, and that's within the top and bottom of this channel that we've been following now and tracking within Bitcoin. And as long as it continues to hold this channel, then obviously the pattern can continue to trade within here, within the 50 to 40 range. Until we see a clear breakout of either way, then I think in the short term, if we're below the 50-day moving average, the bias to the downside. If we're above the 50-day moving average, we've got a bias to the upside. Ethereum holding that psychologically important handle of 30k. Nice solid bounce there the past couple of days, and now trading back within reach of the 31.95 handle, 100 points away. Again, pretty indecisive so far today. We've seen an attempted move higher. We are trading in the red so far. Let's see if they can capitalize on yesterday's buying to see a stronger close to the week after that early week sell-off. Litecoin as well, being able to catch a bid, is actually in the green today, so moving above the 105 handle. Remember, 105 is a multi-year level that we've been looking at, at least the 2021 lows anyway, and that has been able to hold so far this week. So if we get a weekly close above here, it's looking pretty good for them to move back into the test that descending trend line, and that will come through around 120 on Litecoin. Ripple is currently at 0.7223. Overhead, we've got intraday resistance firstly at 0.75. The support quite clearly has been found though at 0.6845. The round number just beneath us at 70 cents, of course, as well. But more importantly, around that 0.6845 area. If they do continue to move to the downside, as you can see, we've now got a descending trend line. We've had a few on this overall move down since that high back in November of last year, and every time we've been able to find a breakthrough. But now you can see we're back retesting the descending trend line here for us to put that on my charts. So maybe you can look for a continued move lower to retest that 70 cents handle rather than seeing moves back into 78 cents in the very short term at least. No major headlines to bring your way apart from what I've posted in the chat room today. Some pretty comical things regarding NFTs and Jack Dorsey, that's for sure. So you can see that inside the crypto chat, but nothing market moving regarding the cryptos that we cover here. So I'll leave it there for today. If there's anything else, I'll speak to you all inside the chat. Until next time, all the best with your crypto trading, and bye for now.